Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm ReyReY. So today I'm going to show you how to achieve the perfect wing liner using different methods. And as you can see in the title, it's beginner friendly. So if you are in 2018 still trying to perfect your eyeliner game, then please keep on watching.
The first type of eyeliner is the liquid liner with a flexible brush. I honestly don't really like this one because since the brush is this flexible, it makes the application harder than it already is. And the second one is the eyeliner pen, and I love how pointy and firm the tip is. It gives me more control and make the application a whole lot easier. And finally, the third one is the gel liner, and you apply it using an angle brush. So for the first method, I'm going to start with the eyeliner pen, and usually when I want to apply my eyeliner, I make sure to use my small mirror and see where I'm placing it, kind of low so I can look down while applying the eyeliner. Also, I tilt my head to one side and rest the tip of my pinky on my cheek in order to have more control and slowly start tracing the line, starting with the tail first and using strokes instead of one swoop. So I trace my tail, go to my inner corner and trace my line to meet the one in the middle, and the only thing left is to fill in. And once you do this, you can always go back and make sure your eyeliner is a little bit bigger if you feel like it's too thin. For the second method, I'm moving on to the liquid liner, and what I usually do is start with dots, create a sort of like outline. So create your eyeliner starting with dots first, so that way you can have an idea of how your wing is going to look like. Then once you feel like it's good enough, you just connect the dots, then fill it in. And there is your perfect wing liner. Third method, I'm using my gel liner from NYX, and I feel like the application is much more enjoyable because the angle brush does pretty much all the work. And as you can see, for every application I always have the tip of my pinky resting on my cheek. So I start off with the tail, trace one line using strokes, and one of my main tricks to get this sharp looking wing liner is that I never start tracing the second line of the tail at the tip. I always start a little bit lower so it can look very sharp, if it makes sense. Then once I'm done with the tail, I'm gonna start from the inner corner and connect both lines and fill it in. For the fourth method, this one is very easy. You can choose between scotch tape or a random card, and I decided to go with the card. I'm going to place the edge of the card and see where I want my wing to be and start tracing. Then when I'm done, I'm going to do the rest myself. Fifth, let's say you're trying so hard to make it look perfect and this happens. I hate that. But do not worry, it's fixable, okay? Using one angle brush and some concealer, I'm gonna apply the concealer on the part where I messed up and use my Damn Beauty blender to blend it, and there. Also use a makeup wipe by wrapping it around your finger and use the tip of your nail to fix it. Dip your Q-tip in some makeup remover liquid and it will do the same job.
So this is it. I went ahead and completed my makeup look. I hope this tutorial helped, and if it did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click on that notification bell, and thank you again for watching. And until then, I will see you guys next time. Bye!